Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google to bring you more business. And I did a search for Charleston Roofing, which is the most popular keyword for people looking for roofing services in the Charleston area. And this is the first page that comes up on Google, which includes some ads. This is what we call the map pack. And I was looking for your site. First found, this is the organic listings that include some of your competitors, Charleston Roof. This is a directory listing. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roof and Windows. And you may or may not know that 80% of all new searches that people do choose one of the top 3 search results. And I'm sure you'd love to be one of those in order to get more business. I did continue to look for you, and I found you back on page 5 here at B&C Roofing at thebestroofers.com. So I went to your site, check it out, and here you go. And love that you've got your number prominently located there. There's so many sites that have a really small font of phone number that you can't even find the phone number when you get there. So that's good. You got some pictures. And I just thought I'd mention a couple of things that you can do that will increase your rankings. And some of these you can do on your own. And because Google, they want to trust a site. And the more they trust a site, the higher they rank it. And one of the things they do to trust a site is they look at the heading tags. And so I put your URL in our analyzer, and you do have a heading, B&C Roofing. There's no H2 tags or secondary heading tags. So we want to put some of those in there. But your first heading, which is the main one that Google looks at to see what your site is about, it says B&C Roofing, but it's not congruent with what people are searching for. Most people that do a search for roofing needs in Charleston put in Charleston Roofing. Unfortunately, they don't put in B&C Roofing to find you. So if you changed your heading tag to Charleston Roofing, and then you could put a vertical line, and you could do that here, and then put B&C Roofing after that. That would help Google know exactly what your site's about and know to rank you higher. It would increase your rankings. We also looked at your metadata tag, which is your title tag. The title tag is what shows up in blue right here. And that also needs to be congruent for Google to look at how much they trust your site and where to rank you. So again, you'd want that to be congruent with the search term and be Charleston Roofing, and then have one of these vertical lines. Let's see if somebody else has one. There you go. Like right there. And notice they're one of the ones that actually ranked higher on the first page. But you would want to have Charleston Roofing, vertical line, B&C Roofing. You get 72 characters to put in there, whatever you want. But that's what you want to have first in your title tag. And that way Google will push you up in the ranks. Now there's some other things that you can do, and that you can do on your own. If you want me to do it, I'll be glad to help you out. But thought that would help, and I just want to make you aware of it. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.